In this video, we're going to cover reproductive strategies in primates. These strategies are behaviors and traits that have evolved to maximize reproductive success. And these strategies can differ between males and females, so let's get into it.
First, let's talk about parental investment. Parental investment is any time or energy a parent spends on offspring that increases the chances of its survival. In primates, females invest heavily in their offspring. From producing energy-rich eggs to sustaining pregnancy and lactation, female primates put a lot of energy into ensuring their young survive. This investment means females can usually only produce one offspring at a time, and the timing between births, called the interbirth interval, is crucial. If a female invests too little, her offspring may not survive. If she invests too much, she might produce fewer offspring overall. So if maternal behaviors are crucial for offspring survival in primates, does that mean that maternal behavior is innate, something you're born with? The short answer is no. In many primate species, maternal behavior is not entirely instinctive, but it's actually learned through observation. We know that because in zoos, some female primates who haven't observed other mothers may not know how to care for their infants. In these cases, zookeepers may step in to care for the young. However, these infants are returned to their group as quickly as possible so they can learn natural behaviors from their mothers and peers. This shows that maternal behavior is learned, not purely instinctual. Some primate species even reduce the amount of required female investment by using polyandrous mating patterns and cooperative breeding, like marmosets and tamarins, where individuals other than the mother and father, in these cases additional males, help raise the offspring. So that brings us to sexual selection, the selection for traits that increase mating success. There are two forms of sexual selection, intrasexual and intersexual selection. Intrasexual selection happens when members of the same sex compete. In primates, this often involves males competing for access to females, leading to traits like larger body sizes and big canines that help males win fights. So intrasexual selection can lead to sexual dimorphism, where males and females of a species look different, like when the males are significantly larger than females who don't need to win fights to reproduce. On the other hand, intersexual selection involves individuals of one sex choosing mates based on certain traits. Female primates tend to be choosy about mates because they invest so much in the offspring. They often select males based on traits like health, indicated by physical characteristics such as body size or vibrant coloration. Mandrill males have colorful pads of skin to attract females. In some cases, females even choose new or immigrant males, possibly to introduce new genetic variation to their offspring. Both parental investment and sexual selection shape the reproductive strategies we see in primates today, with females focusing on offspring survival and males competing for mating opportunities.